Hello. So, what is innate immunity and acquired immunity? So, innate immunity is the one that is present in our body. Okay. What is acquired immunity? One that is acquired with the help of vaccines or serums. So, innate immunity, if some foreign objects or body invades our body, so the first line of defense of our body is the white blood cells. And if they fail to protect our body, the T cells and B cells take their place and try to protect our body. Okay. And for acquired immunity, we take vaccines like once we did during the time of corona. We took corona vaccine so that we can fight the virus. Okay. So this is the acquired immunity. So we're taking immunity, or we're developing our immune system through vaccines. Okay. So we'll take a look into this chapter later on. For now, this is much. Okay. Thank you very much.